Hi guys, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Today it's my mom's birthday and we're gonna make some jelly and custard.
We are going to dissolve 85 grams of strawberry flavored jelly. Add that to 250 ml of boiling water and you stir it.
So we're gonna put the cold water into the jelly.
What are we going to do next?
We're gonna pour them into the glasses.
So what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna put the jelly in the fridge to chill. Mommy, come and let's enjoy your birthday.
This is so good. Do you like it?